ngunit naagawan pa na kay Mr. Celestial. Tumadoy to Mr. Celestial. Floater is good. Nakakuha pa ng unang tira, pumasok na. Parang tira ko lang. 10 remaining, 10 seconds. Mr. Madoy to Celestial, open ang layup. Mr. Celestial, pull up jumper, pumasok ang tira. Hinara si number 11, 10 to shoot to Mr. Celestial. Wala, ngunit may foul. Landing.
Yung maintenance mo.
Unang tira, pumasok.
Sayang pa. Cards. Ayaw ni Tanday.
Pangalawang tira, pumasok.
Ayaw ni Tanday.